MP. Honorable Naa Koryoo.
Who did 2020? Okay. Because of who's having interest. Asiedu Nketia, you're very careful. And yes, I said,
Abusia NDC TikTokers eko kwa pai. Efa entroa. Naa Koryoo MP4. Awuti Senior East constituent obetwa fa Hawa Koomson ho. Ema NDC fo nyina nya adwum se ma me ne nipa boni no omo time no. At the end of the day no credit ababontene. And some of the NDC TikTokers now say adwene wo omutirem no. Nyansa nyame amomu kakra na omutime dwene no. Omo ebu ofupa yi ama omo akeka omo adwen. A kire Naa Koryoo omutire se Naa Koryoo he. Oh no. Obenu ne ho. Kwase asim ya wodi organ hanom no. Obenu ne ho. Na face no Asiedu Nketia. Oma ke come agya kire Asiedu Nketia. Mo antirim no kire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah media. Mess wa say need mo. Obe like video no other ma subscribe button so na be click the notification icon of latest update. Am be kire wadwen dey ama me. E wo comment section. Mess also baso no share for so anya bi ahwe. Eti me binim say NDC party it is born on lies. Ya dey atro. And they try NDC for efunuma atro, and when they lie they know how to defend it. Say NDC ni twa tra na no ton fom. Some media video say o twa tra na no ton fom. O twa tra asi atwere no already na no ton fom da. Just say and tro no menim so head akọ omu head akọ propaganda school ko sua how is it twa tro there menim 2024 election out of nowhere. Naa Koryoo, I'm a parliamentary candidate for Asiedu Senior East on the ticket of NDC. Ebeka say, oh, Hawa Koomson and the boys I attack him. I'm Omo Kono kwa the boys baako. Eboko granted many interviews just say, Oko Onia TV no waka ha no mo. TV3 no aka we just na ye an interview ni e o kire nsemu just say ma be create nice story. Emma Ghana ha enipa bi di ho abufo na homete across to tia MPP for. And from there, MPP who have a Penyah, especially Hawa Koomson. Ya time mamie di mamie ni. But asem ni ba ye no. Hawa Koomson has one not pan there. Asem no, I want less in sem. Omu go so e kan wasem. No, di no tum say onye hwe and let's give time to expose time.
Akotutuo asem no. Se mi ken e wo me lawyer nsem a odi akọ ya serve abrante na okoye video. Man call viral, so I don't want to speak about it. But Sanko police headquarters, archaeology complain. Etimi case da homo. Say he should come and prove it. Maybe I will who me and my name boys eko tutu. You see, or I don't wait any tree. You're so tachra. The best say tachra. I think say people are just trying to discredit me. Baby, I am me do me any. What did be one grand Yakupon will punish you? Etiano dear, Ninia Yibia allegation wanted to me. I say I don't talk about it because where Kranyamwa Mokasa Chinchina Menka Wasama. I've been advised to also talk about it. And Kamenka because sometimes Penyah first says but down for who you are not found to my journey. Now sorry the who didn't chisa and I said who cry about dancing but down for no. So I say and I don't want it to be like that. But as time goes on, I'll be vindicated, and people will really know who Hawa Koomson is. Baby, I may corner. I'm out for one to distract me, but I'm very focused. They need a baby, I may corner. Nobody can distract me.
Emma, we have black man of election crowd. No penny be ball. Hawa Koomson ho pose oba ha obi kono. Emma boy yin who dey see ye. Ye who dey see Ghana ha no mo. But we are saying that they see nyina no. Asem a NDC ni MP e kan ye Naa Koryoo yi bayifo bayi. Asem Kenya na eye tro. BBNC if say Muntaka Mohammed interior minister abana all court case no so na dey ense we betu bia let us 7 enya no kre na eno ana we say NDC TikToker TK the go kwa pai we just a bia bi ene ne wa be fire Naa Koryoo pay
atiefo mi cheche mu na eba TK platform enema bi koso ha me mo mfuni e da we ohwa eye honorable first Naa Koryoo any honorable Mavis Hawa Koomson. Na enkrata de dwano me da benda be mesre se impelifo tie me yi pa e wo mu se enkrata no papers na na sesebe nhwemu na bededi se ye maame Hawa Koomson and summer before 2024 election no and Sama Honorable Phillips Naa Koryoo Ekafan Hono. 7 previous, you could be any. Now, some of me qua Madrid, Madame, and Sisu Mammy. Say, Yatika Swa. Na and then also we fear obi able to me actually when near ma 7 a quarter 2024 na ya maame Hawa Koomson ni krofo edi sa adwuma ono na antwitwo amobi bet ni krofo prepare krofo ebu krofo tu Honorable Phillips Naa Koryoo edi betu dwa enemi sere o mi busa say ya yehwehwemu ntino 7 previous kese asem saa ni aka no ya nyintumu saa on anami madrimu no eya onabu mutaka no eni saa krofo e ma mienu ko hia e ma settlement bi akoba bi e because me dwi wa me ntiase na mi busa o onabu mutaka 2020 de enso e eno so ye hwehwemu because ensem no o ka ni fa no waka benkum no wa famu abati mi busa Honorable Minister Mutaka say anyabia no 2020 and so why you shema fa wana ke nya me kan say ayo pro anakudi na be ene say you shemu no eni kro say nya ni kro mitiki magiatum na migi tumu nso a na meji atum apaya maame Mavis Hawa Koomson chose obapa masro bia na wudie uni me so minimu ba niam bia 2024 me famu wo wonsa no emu atemdidie emu ahwehwe ano ame sebe ekofu tita me fa wudie so maame eja manaka because o babonia utua kafun se o babonia de bia kafun na betua ana sebe ensem na akoso no se onu na eye maame no ana Phillips Naa Koryoo no atumi agye atumu se sebe ewuo ani tutu etuni nira no sebe onu oni mo hwe ya na kire se wa maye twanto atowo am Hawa Koomson so dia na mitike ade ameka se maame fa me body chemi NDC phone na amiyempa maame icho because maame na edi na chiri 7 producer ye ka obi a oye obufo a eye Phillips Naa Koryoo obufo kese wa maka so a ye useless kese wa ma chairmanship no kwa na o ka so chairman no kese executive na ye useless there's a 7 MP wa aye mu bi edi wachi di odo di wachi we yama kese ye ya jimi madam ye jimi yo be momo no ena me di tuwe one ma MPP fo nya kaswa fo NDC fo won se ma wo di tu dwai ani interview a wo kase you wasn't there no e kire wo se 7 previousa kaswa fo kese ewudi a 7 ekofo bia fam awu ama 7 ebi ma hwere mo nkwa ebi ma di dem no wo Phillips Naa Koryoo utumi so wo bia problem man da because wo ye MP a wo baye no wo self interest ene wo busua no kru ene tra mo baye e be di MP ya jibi ya to mama ene ma wo ye tete grofo so ka so no madam sama fo ka so mo di good gas so a ma hwa utumi pio ka so bi mu me kama chi no do wo ye MP dia ba dia wa je no wo ma ka so afo ya mu se 7 eni MP wa ha siasi e ka no kura pa kire ho a ene do ye bibi o ye no mu bia e koto abama awo no ade ye de ye ni mu nyansa ye mu bia de ye kra e de e kire ma no unti Naa Koryoo you're very careful madam you're very careful because we are wrong 7 uyo obi ade no wadwene ho ye te kaso ha no 7 e de me na koso kaso a 7 udi woni hwa enhwe na ka mi hu ye sa wo no chairman executive kwa o problem a obi o tinche so nye eno so ono o problem ana obi ko chairman jare ho a me ma me side obi ko chairman jare ho a o chairman jare se nti e ma me side ade a me dream wa me tie se kwese program bi aba na bia ese ehia mpanifo na nka MP ko chairman ginachi we die ma mi we e be san ama chairman ko as long as akone de na seven producer ya kasa we leader dey say leader so be kan krofo bom na wo de entokwa asi wo be 100 years no o de ahye utrim na wo di abro e wa ha ade abufu e me kai cross ya wo original minister wo eye central region ya wo original chairman eye NDC amanyuku no o ma yi o mani say hi ase pedifo bia o ma yi from aboni wo dwom ana o ma hwe maami ya na maami ese kasoa maami e masabe asudwe e ma NDC party ni mu and them say me cancel oh say yeah di wachi na no o me ya say ye useless ye jimi ni mu nyasa because edru baby mpo no na wo o bo chema ajare so bo se seven peduasa onu no edem e ka kire krofo se me ye campaign ma nyanto aba ne emma yeru mahama ye santo ma Mavis Hawa Koomson wo na akoyo asema o ye de o ka kire ibu bi no me se wo ko ma oni ye di no se wo de se wagire amaka so afara to ma pefra madam wo ba ko position like NDC party leader so wa bem. I'm telling you the gospel fact. I swear to God, because me did like I said, NDC party me back to them no me be mu man so let you but me as sign ako but did like I said NDC party me be journey NDC party no man so let Hawa Koomson Nketia yes we dey me ye branch executive because NDC for ye nkofo omo probi a o kan ko edi dwumadie odo ewe emu bi na sebe ya di ahodi eni esika na adonfo bi so bua yen no you go and check it out anya wonko na odu botom sika here campaign o na akoyo anya wonko a chema jale bua wa bua ni pa o ka so no se je chema jale daroma aka NDC emfa ema o films na akoyo me ka me chiro onipa yiwa edipa ya o papa no wa yidaye onipa uye boni ania me hu empa boni ani sesebe films na akoyo onda na okuru ka ka emukuno yusuf ne fe ka ka emukuno on ne siese o ya America taku esu ene enkwala adwuma national security no e no mo pre on ene also in charge e national security many problem but so in charge now national security no e dey be contribution and dey bua ka so afo national security adwuma e ba yes ye mfa mo mu na o gima wa busuafo ya won sem kan na mo hwe yesem e be ka no national security for penifo wo benya problem mo de mo na mo ye na mo fi se ya jimi yewura ma hodo ani sebe ona mu giro zebra e penifo bi o mo NDC sebe o mo nti ana ani aka no otum because ye kwa bibi amo bi ka se o aye we nipa no we ada dabi edi ti aye di bet se mo hwe ye na se sa bronya we ko afi we twam ni esi afi from a ensema mo bete we ya no no mo bedum ho ene se ona mo free sla ko yo se oyo oba pa onko no ko hia eye zogo kokos fon no ko bete se mo meka kire no o se video bi secretary wo tinta video so ka so fo buafu brutal especially the zogo boys now omo koko de e de man na akoyo no omo buafu because ma me ni wani ni ye enti ene uye zogo ni na o NDC ni a na wafa ho adwen se da bi party na o no ubeku ho ama party na power be ba power wi a ye wo bo omudi mo me fa shi tribusa na koyo wa o be hu se semi producer ye mu bi ye jibi pa de di wachi uli ewi ase se wunya dwuma ya ana o de wo ko wura policy se wa nya ba bia sha na se bi o ka mu de ba wo bibi ya ese wo se e sacrifice e fa na afa na wagya chire di ba ye mu bi de ye srabo ya ba support to NDC party because me 2016 I was one of those bodyguards I know we go job poko ma chire bi ameka Yeru Mahama enya akwanya eba eye ofosa ire ekro bi efet eginase eye former regional what do you call it? Former regional chairman eye NDC Jowak ni fie ana me so Penyah mensa na Yeru Mahama te wo ona mu gbe zebra tere nche ona bofo so bofo te yese mpanifo na mitosmiti mu na tete wo e ma me mi soe e ka kire Yakobon hata so se Yeru Mahama the we are one was tie ene the way I would draw and semi wa ho fenti papa and sema me kafa hu na no fa boni cheme na emmom no yakopɔ boa me support o adi wachi ayɛka pay until say obedi o mampani e record a utumi nyifa ho da the video is there and intino and say wo Penyah Naa Koryoo etumi ba bonten e ma nhwemu abeda gidi say uniema oye tietia eye Hawa Koomson na sa sabi eye refly ase wakotofo sekla ye de fo ya dada udi fo biteshi ama eye refly kese uma ye di wachi enti meno tiki se ye kumia ati ye kukwa ye kumikwa wa admit e kase tiki e de to ndra kire no so sebi previousa baisi e wiase bibia ba ye bia de woni mo tweo maame o Koomson na sebi wodi ne ye atwea pia uma ye di na time no ko ne ko pale cho anya sa maame waso mu nyu ko mitike sebi sole se me ka wasema onyakopo kura ba mi nyai me ka me chiro so onyakopo kura se fi shu ba kura mi nyai da because one man nipa di boni agu obi so and then NDC party no ya kire se sebi uye NDC ni na sebi uye de ma bi tietia MPP ni bia enya mra kwaso a ya kasa uye NDC ni o ye de mra ne bato bi yeda and it tomorrow say honorable ya ofri certificate north right ko ye gold mu se sem gala se sem ya ene ye twira boso no ye madafo pa no ye madafo pa na so no enye ma oye no won say NDC fo mpanifo twina boso kire se wa nyade enti jo ye MPP ni a ye po ye nua ne ye se yo ya masabe party asema aye de ye di nukura ne bla na ye adwuma e kire se ye wura mahama mamu we no anyasafo ko ne gu board no so obowa oye ye be kaka ya kire o ye be mo hu se sebe o ye NDC kwa o ya de ye be ka adinti no na Koryoo honorable Penyah Naa Koryoo be ka kire o se play ne play fa se ye wadwe se o one tempe nti be ya nya be ye ne play because obi no beto amama o ka so abi o do pa fa macho fo lady wachi ever the capacity because ye will be a boy who ujiri bia o eye sabi ebuo and ye bia ma me chew bebre but once I we ye NDC ni o ye MP no de e see from man onabo na sabi bibia de ekoso kama but what to me for one year anto and na me no ka say obi abeka no kura okrom ya say ade bia ni baba kaso bia no na onabo Penyah Naa Koryoo ni kuru ni na busuafo o ma je no ma che o ma chafa na omo ye party na djuma no na omo bre e di se pass NDC be position here e di na Naa Koryoo you know most of the position can because e ye dey ye ba wuochi ye ba wo so konsan ye ba pabo NDC party no dia o enkrofo e dey say come to be standing for MP ship no omo dey yom to create and di wachi what I say na omo dey say come ye deserve say ke to so abano because of unti e jawu na chidi and ye campaign ma o enti ene sa wo sema na okafa Hawa Koomson ana Hawa Koomson chesimi tu Hawa Koomson kumio Hawa Koomson bubio nda na oboa ni asu ejimi ye di wachi ya be ka bia ona bo e do kro na wo tietie na wo tupa da guza konfobia de bibia de podua yela Penyah Naa Koryoo so we dey very careful ama montia ko pada ayi anko pa Hawa Koomson chowa ma be waso be shi okrom ya o because emrade se ko pa no cho we emrade e ye djuma o no mo nimu ne bedi wachi omo nimu no ene wo hwe de zogo kokos ade a wo dia yo mo ene opo interviews by interviews tese wo kura de ade a wo ye na amana hie se anka mane nko be 3 years mu na nka shows mu edi mani me ye e be ya resign me come to madam e be ya resign because next year was so be she papa ko so si I tell you no obi so ye bembe bia no on try say o ba be face ye e so abo e ho pa me ni say baby adu no e be du leshi tema o de macho fo e be fusu kula Russia ma mo bi say ye o ye ni yedim me say ensam no say impanyifo prayer ye beka kra ye beka de chase because akwani mu abie dia ene de begudwa ama wo se sebe onto na utwagu Hawa Koomson so ye tro that because of politics intino if the time what bia and then what bia wano aka say he wasn't there yes I would be yes you do yourself as said there and then when I kai internet tape so ho I was here muda okay come sa that you say and then the credit ya e chere madrid say politicians sabi and you muda na boka no kre do na na kan no kre kakra bi de kan no kre hey so to be throw my to be kawasam I can't say go on a bubiso say on a buya bro or twituo Hawa Koomson be gina ka say on there sada ye na gina di me to be ko 30 so na me twabu ma bi besa akọ cho because e dey ma koso no me ra ho say o ma me to be di obi ma me atem I can't say ma say me producer e je the correct say the correct bu asisi ya no NDC for say e brother say mamno onye mboni bia enti wo fa de nkodi bia who am I except support mamno me maka me say the way NDC for bi yo madwuma MPC bi yo madwuma sebi edani kwamu no sa de enye MPC so omo ya mboni beye ne hu fiat se shi omo mu a sebi omo pese ko so si be ko so bia me ka de chairman Asiedu regional minister a company but they very careful the most social be yet tiam on wall who do ho some baye body suppose ye become chiramo be see NDC party no so ba mu 20 years obi ba mu next year kwa this year kwa na no accept and then the powerfulness o yiti do utumi nya waiver e manager chance e o baby enti momo nya mo se sebe o te party be 20 years intia o no wase ba be kan na yemfa e kwa na yemfa e dey the credit because party e Ghana for party. The NDC party belongs to the guy. Yes, it is Obi Bamu 20 years Obi Bamu, and that's a steady part of Bamu. The contribution is very higher. Oh boy, or was also be the Ekasa. Ya Akasa, Sabi Penyah. You who put to be a Sabi. A year now call the ma Kasua for Memua. I don't know the Dagnet. The bear then I want to. To the American and this for 24 said now call your percent Kasua. A composition there, and your no more composition, Amakasua, I had this for dia, with the Munasi, with church of Majaria, with share the digital man, with share all the branches, executive leader, executive, and walk Kasua, a free stream make up for. We don't be a shilabo ponsa, a Yezu Eza, with the Munasi, or be a open, ocean ideas, we don't give a damn to anybody, and they're gonna for, Omi and Pa, Hawa Koomson, and one no, you're going to Namasi.
Na also na nsemu adapa ase Asiedu Nketia if you penny the general mosquito or thank you to be I say thank you to the crowd and work on and the oil e bi say oh the presidential ambitions na wa start no no ana tiki abeke kanadwen a kire Asiedu Nketia da menim so no wa asem dia
become a child.
Okay, Aya mo MP. Honorable Naa Koryoo.
Who dey 2020 we dey me besi. Masa, mama cho. Me dey ma ho dey enim nindie o, ani sika ka bo na be support party no. Sabi obi ama me down. Enti me meti wo no, utu me kire me say party na me makumi ho ma party na ba power no. E go position, e dey juma.
Okay.
Because of who self interest. Asiedu Nketia onye very careful. Omo dey show mo tunufo. Yes, I said, can Ubuno. Put away who catch us and who she go to that. Now, so I said, she go to that, and then I'm help my Penyah. What's the every coat? I block America goes my jacket. Hey, Master, let's be the fact.
Okay.
I'm doing this to you. I didn't know air time, any rule. It is a Francais. All of you examine the what people talk.
Okay.
Sir, a year. A big minister and the question why people talk. You can't the correct say, you make sure say, and near man of a panel yellow. And fact, the ever party. No, you obviously be the boss of power. But to me, because I chairman general. Sure, or forget the chairman general.
Okay.
Now you want more, you two, the good part two shall go so. Little no, you are over Jenka, you one woman, you man, and you offer a bit, or tell me, yes, the concert or lemon, or your campaign also, or Koto, Tobin Oko, Tobin the City Oko. Maybe a branch organizer. It means to me,
okay.
and have a say to talk. What I say, Mummy need to come out. I'm on your corner, I will a year in this level. And yes, I can take a campaign. Who cry out to a quano? We a campaign. Wow, to a campaign because minimum phobia. No me MP before out to be said because of a Kufuado. I'm a more 10 time, I'm more Funtino. They all voted for the NDC power. I'm being honest with you. It's MP.
So I feel that was
MP.
And I would say East.
Or not, you are a chick over him. Hey.
Tell you what, you have a comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media.